Then should I talk to the iPad? Tell me when you're recording.
Right, I've already recorded it.
Right, so I've had this brilliant idea, which I think is going to be like revolutionary, insane revolutionary if it works. I'm going to go and see how far the screen mirroring works on our TV, because I thought if your friends are in the cabin, then you could like screen mirror the show to them from Carmen's or something.
Matt
Right.
has finally lost the plot, everyone. Let's go with Matt, see what he
Right,
does.
let me flip the camera. Are you ready, Emma?
Yeah.
You ready?
Go on then.
Okay.
And I think that's as far as it goes.